All right, today I'm gonna be shooting an impromptu jumpstart video. I'm on my lunch right now and my truck battery died. So now we're gonna put the iOnBoost Torque V8 to the test. Since this is an impromptu video, we're just gonna unbox the Torque right here on the floor. We have our brand new smart cables that are all copper, the charging adapters, and of course the iOnBoost Torque V8. Let's go ahead and see what this thing can do. If you weren't already familiar how easy it is to use our device, simply open the cover for the EC3 port and plug in the jumper cables. They're keyed, they can only go in one way, so just plug them in. You'll see red and green lights flashing. That indicates they're ready to go. Then you just take your positive or red clamp, put it on the positive battery post, take the black clamp or the negative clamp, put it on the negative battery post, and it's ready to jump. Now you just disconnect the clamps. You'll hear a beeping sound from the device, and that's it. You're ready to go. All right, I know I'm a little bit biased when it comes to products for Wagan Tech, considering that I work there, but that's kind of the fringe benefit of working there, is being able to take the products home and use them when you need it. I've been really lazy with this truck. It has a dead battery, and I have to jump start it daily, and it's awesome to see that that device, even after jumping about 3 or 4 times already, it starts the vehicle with no problems. And what's more is that the device starts the vehicle and it sounds like it's a fresh battery inside the truck, when in fact it's actually a really dead battery. So I'm a firm believer, and if you try it out, you definitely will be too.